Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a very cool game. Let me expand it. Let me play it. I have a gun and I have to shoot those guys. It's called Wild West. I press spacebar and here is a guy. Every time I shoot a guy, I get score. And also there are all those bombs. Let me show you. You see the bombs are coming, and if you hit the bomb, your score goes down. You also have a timer and it counts how much time. It just goes about 2 minutes. And let's play it again. And I'm gonna show you if I hit this bomb wagon. You see, my score just goes down and it explodes. Time goes down too. And that's it. So I'm gonna show you how to make this game. Let's stop it. So first of all, I need to put my backdrop. I go out here and load it, and I have the backdrop out here. I will select it. I will make it bigger. That's my backstage. That something is not gonna interact like at all. Something on the back. Then I will go to Little Kitten. I'm gonna upload all the characters I have out here. So I have the gun, I have explosion, I have wagons. I will select all of them, open. Let's go again. And I have all my characters out here as well. Open. You see all the guys. And grass and fence, buildings. Let me go again. Upload. And I have a timer. Let's go again. So that's it. I have all my characters. For you to know that mostly people who do games, they make design separately. Like there are designers who design it, people who paint. There might be a team of them for games. They paint scenes, backstage, front stage characters, everything. Like out here. So I'm not gonna go into the details and show you how everything is painted. What you need to sort it out, where it's supposed to go. Remember the back one goes right on the back. You see? And the explosion will go to the costume of those bombs. So when I uploaded all my characters out here in the backstage, all the designs, everything is nicely painted, I have to do the coding. So let's go to gun. It's named gun. And let me show you how it works. When I press, the gun goes right and left. And when I press spacebar, it shoots. Okay, let's see the code. So first of all, when green flag clicked forever, go to front layer. It's very important, otherwise it will be lost somewhere between. It always has to go on top, because it's the closest to us. Also set X to mouse X. So let me just take it away. Let's see. You see, it's not going anywhere. Mouse X is this axis, horizontal. It will go only horizontally. Let's stop it. So that's understandable. Front layer, set X to mouse X. You understand it? Okay, second part. Second part is forever. If X position is more than 0, so 0 for X is somewhere here. If it's more than 0, like this, point in direction. We have a direction, it has to point in this direction. If X position is less than 0, it has to point in other direction, like this one. So I will just take it off, or maybe I will separate. Let's see what we have out here. You see, it's not switching from left to right. It doesn't work. Let me put it back. You see, it comes to 0, which is somewhere here, and it points in direction, different one, other direction. Okay, that's very good. Let me show you next thingy for gun. When space clicked, repeat 10 times next costume. So let's go to its costumes, and we see I made costumes. I've painted just fire, and when I press spacebar, those costumes repeat. When I don't press a spacebar, it has to go to costume without fire, so just gun. Costume gun doesn't have any fire, otherwise it will stop. Let me show you. You see, it just stops. It cannot be like this. So it has to always switch in the end to costume gun without fire. Okay, that's it. That's for gun. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. Wagon 1. And it's like nothing. It's just going from somewhere, it glides. So first of all, it has to go where it is, and then it glides to this place. First it goes here, hiding, then it glides out here, all the time, forever. And it's the same with all the wagons. Oh, this one with explosion is different one. You see those wagons? They just move. By default, from the very beginning, they start out here, go to where they're supposed to be, and then glide 1 second to this side. Let's stop it. Let's go to explosion one. It actually has the same code, like it has to go and then glide, go to its coordinates and then glide. And second part, which is kind of more interacting, switch costume to wagon 3. Let's go to its costumes, and it has two costumes. Costume just bombs and explosion costume. So let's go to code. First, it has to switch to normal costume. Then, forever check if touching red color, which comes from the gun, change score by -1. So every time you do the explosion, it gives you -1. Switch costume to wagon 2. Let me see. Wagon 2, that's an explosion. Wait half a second and then switch to normal costume. You see? Let me show you. You see? It switches to normal costume. Okay, let's go to our next. So we got the wagons, we got gun. Buildings don't have any. They just, guys are hiding behind the buildings. Let's go to our guides. So guys, what do? They always go to back layer. They go right behind the backstage. The buildings are above them. Go to back layer. And then they just glide. They glide from one side to another, gliding around out here. This guy, oh yeah, this guy. So let's see another part code for. Let's see another part of the code for the guy. When game starts, score equals 0. Show. So the guy shows. He has to point in direction, just like normal direction. Switch costume to character 6. This one, just normal costume. He stands. Forever, check if touching red color from the gun, change score by 1. So I kill him. Switch costume to character 2. Let's go to costumes. Character 2 is, he is on the floor and he doesn't have a gun. Okay. Wait 1 second, then hide. So he got shot, he lies down like this, and then he hides. Wait 5 seconds, switch costume to normal costume and show, then point in direction. That's it. For all of the guys. When I hit it, it changes a costume for like falling down. Wait half a second, disappears. Wait 5 seconds, and then he appears again and he does the job again. All of those guys, they do the same. What else do we have out here? Buildings? No, nothing. You just need to layer it down, like one after another. Grass goes on top. So if you want, you can write on grass, go on top, go to front layer for the grass. The next one is timer. And timer, it's like nothing. You see, it's not here. Timer is this little arrow. I just painted it over. So let's see what about this arrow. What does it do? Switch to costume 1. I have actually a few customs out here. I'm still working on this project. It's supposed to say you win or you lose. If the score is more than 10, you win. If less, then you lose. Okay, let's go to code. Point in direction. It has to point in normal direction. Repeat certain amount of times turn. So let's put 360 and turn 1 degree. You see? It's moving fast and it will come back because the circle has, wait, stop, I put 260. The circle has 360 and it turning degree. So it will be full circle going around. It's going. Let me show you. It's going. Turn degree, turn degree, turn degree. And stop. I actually put wait 1 second. Just give a little bit of extra time. If you don't want it, you just throw it away. It's going. Let me. I actually got -1, -2. Let me show you. Minus, and it stopped. That's it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or if you want to have a private lessons, whatever, ask, write in comments, get in touch, sign up for Tamagiki Academy, and I will teach you how to make all of this stuff. How to paint this stuff, how to make more code, everything. Hundreds of tutorials coming up. See ya!